na lese ona dejoa ofitama na etan unwe bo igbina oyo mu e ogbon we fitan ya goja le ayi owo kan kere ilajan do zenu nu e ni a ibi agbon we me respect ogbe ne gbo ayegbe erun da orun won pa na worun igbe ma unwe worun won pa ni yan wa un dan yan ri awa no ri ade we no peze no kwa no ka ke ni bieka na do akuyokure uje gbo ya ki oho ta ifi bieka ya lenu e social media ya fefe e ya mwere o ma ke we oni mami orun opa na do ata orun opa owe Peter ma owe Jacob ma Andrew ma Asia ma Austin ma unwe worun opa ni yan ri awa un dan e no o se na le na we ita no ri un le mami ave me ma mo bogbu wa agui wa na ni wa me solve to na me ma gu wa agui mami ave commenters yan wa peju wa e owi ri akan fian totoa yan wa peju wa e radio sir oga this one in one riso oga this one classic any o ka we gbe capital letter ROIP be me aseke ade o man anu an mami e bi awu ati e ge bobo ni eni go bia omona zambia noji.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling, for my correct people. Why it be say if you want finish for one, another one go come. If you want finish for this one, another one go come. Now, wow, my people, not the way person no go see for this social media. Now, what for wire road? Now, what for wire road? Not being I say make a waka small for the Facebook street. Now I see this video where this guy say, "Oh, fitama etan or my igbina or mwe." He say, "Akobe, you don't already make a parable finish. You don't talk finish. You go wait for the repercussion. You talk to person. The person understand what you talk. He can't respond to you. Why the thing they pay you for body? He say why the thing they pay you for body? He say they're not supposed to pay you. He say you're supposed to they happy to. You're supposed to they dance. I can't tire you. I say hey, this bro. So you want to put petrol? Join the one with fair day ground. Yeah, now be say fire go full everywhere. I they watch if you live here today now. That one they swear for them. The lady of song enemy and destiny. That one can say shocktalize me say. Where they come warrant cause for this matter now? Why the swearing? Why the cause now? Now that one can say they shocktalize me now. Social media just catch fire. Bo. Lady of song write one thing come and say. If you don't want die because of their matter, una feel die or more than not give una pikin food they get because una want die because of their matter, then they enjoy themselves. You understand? This bros now this video what you do now, now your own everybody now they analyze now. Everybody now your own now. You see the saga not go finish for social media. It not go finish. Maybe you do this one now. You don't know say you go come talk to go no la. Before you know what they happen now, you own everybody now. This one will carry on. See what did this bros talk? See what did this one talk? You don't want to monetize the page, you go carry your video, may take monetize them. Now so this social media just be. Now so it just be so. So to first thing and say nobody they watch their film again because of saga. Saga everywhere. If you enter here, saga. If you enter here, saga. If you enter here, saga. Now, wow. Hey, I person want work for this social media now. Una see what una cause for social media. Hey, I went to Coco Dolly once. You wanna hear so we know the hear so now. My people, my beautiful people, where they watch me so. Wait till una raising. This video where these bros do now, not be saga or another saga won't come again now. Now wow, and they watch if you leave here today, that one where white and white begin to swear. Wait till come warrant swear. Me no understand, sha. Wait till after they analyze this video now, see me I not insult anybody because everybody now wow. And you feel talk for matter way because any matter will come out as all of us now proco. We must want push shook mouth. Any topic we just there on everybody want shook mouth put. You understand? So we don't want to tire me be say. If you want shook mouth for something, no insult, no swearing. Why the swearing? Why the insult? Why we go they insult the people? It's not good. You want to talk for their matter, no insult them. If you know so you be the type where you must insult, then don't just talk. No talk. Because the insult when you insult these people today, it did too much, like seriously. It did too much. They not dey swear for person like that. You understand, Olivier, my sister? I beg. That insult was really like, it did too much today. I'm not lie you. The insult was really too much, like seriously. My ogbonge people, I no just know wetin dey happen again. Social media just come turn where so quarrel. Eh? May we take this easy. Na Ivy dey talk so.
Akobe no munigo, akobe do here. Omi la when I see one. Ogo yohi, ogo omi la hi. Egba, oge nakena mi gba man omu. Na be egele, ogo ejon. Ne ke ari wina, no ri te ko ki ako kibi. Yuhe. Owe, wo ke jo bowe. Ya ko ke ki ani ko kibi ni. Ku ko ke yuwe owe da ke ari wina. Owe to akoke. Owe so pa we ko le ala jan. Owe ku no la jan ni wo fi on. We de be ni jo ya ni jo wa so. Asini mi oboe, owo mu o ya ke na yo eko. Ogu mana wu eni. Be no je yen. Ogu mana wu e fi be no jo zo. Ogo bi ake na. Ogo bi o kan wa je yen eko. Ogo to wa ku. Ogo wa su kwa o ya o. Ogo ko wa su be big.
My people, this matter, if reach to insult person or you should swear for person now. Me, I don't understand though. The matter don't tire me like seriously. So my ogbonge people, ma put the video where this our bros they talk just now. Make una see wetin in talk, whether it's still good or e no good. Mona leave una comment for the comment section, my darling people. Thank you, my ogbonge people. Take care. Bye everybody. Bye everybody.
Biani revo na otapo koso ko ni ro wase na taberi oni biedo wa agujo biedo ne wa ri wa agujo ibiani revo na ya tapo koso ko egbe biaberi o ekina na mo bo mia we music industry e music industry pa ma mia ni kwikware ya ni kwikweta na te wa se tian ya ni we dramento e bu hebu ni ajo ibata kibata na ya ma ni wa undon bubu ya e bu hebu ibata kibata ni aja je ko enwegbe ugbe ne dramento ni anya ya we ko enwegbe ana we suspended je copy ana we suspended e peter ibiani obopa webo e dazen of ye G-Wagon ne kwege whiskey di ya o tazibeko dododo o titi we wala ni o titi we wa ya degbo tobo e mi odo ni dewu we igwo bo kan kere gun owe owie na ka fe o ma keke no fun ma ugbe we igwo bo kan kere gun we ri un le ubi I expect no kan kere tamu we abi tan na fi lo kwa ne de ya fe ai mi e we to do atale ya we social media abe mana bia na wuji o ma se mana bia na lese ona tejoa ofitama na etan un ebo igbina e omo e ogbon we fitan ya goja le ai owo kan kere la jan do zenu nu eni a ibi agbon we me respect ogbe ne gbo ayegbe erun da orun opa na worun igbe ma un ebo orun opa ni yun wa un dan yan ri awa no ri ade we no beze no ho a no ka ke ni bia kana do akuyokure uje gbo ya ki oho tai fi bia ka ya lenu e social media ya fefe e ya mu ere Oma kekere ri oni mami orun opa na do ata orun opa owe Peter ma owe Jacob ma Andrew ma Asia ma Austin ma unwe orun opa ni yan ri awa un dan e no ose na le na we ita no ri un le mami ave me mamu bogbu wa agui wa na ni wa me solve to na me magu wa agui mami ave commenters yan wa peju wa e owi ri akan fian totoa yan wa peju wa e radio sir ogadizwan inwanu riso ogadizwan classic eni o ka we gbe capital letter ROIP be mi aseke ade o man anu an mami e bi awu ati e ge bobo ni eni go bia omona zempia noji Lizzy Omoruji o agbe ne gbo yegbe we no agbon ma gere eyin mi ma ge ya totayi do gwa level ne ugwa level no ka kere na gwe no wan egun o ari e wo pa oro e ododu go ton bodo ni o bia wo pe no to la mozu ne mi lajo wa o ja totayi ba o si bi edo ai do e mi ni tanania o si bi edo ai e to mu temu ne wa ni no wan ni ma ni be ka keke ni ma copy wa du egbe ni na ve ni na wa du e social media wo wa na me social media ni wo be ro ya fe ave ho ro ni wo shima wo wa ma na iladian wa do lo ye zo no roto na ma ni be ka ni ya ogu wa o ja ne gbu wa I ma do aja nu wa social media na me we o denu wa la ni wa